Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. And I'm your host, Sam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you today a project that I've been working on for my aunt's 60th birthday party. I was asked by one of her daughters to put together some gifts or favors, if you will, for some of her closest friends. And so I definitely had to oblige, because some of these sisters have been around and have, stood by her side for decades. And just as a token of our appreciation, I definitely wanted to give them or gift to them something that had a little bit of meaning. Of course, handmade is always best. So without further ado, I will show you some of the pieces that I created. So, what they say about silver and gold, there's a song, what is it? Make new friends but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. So these are the silver filigree earrings. I think I showed you in one of my haul videos the pieces that I had purchased to create these. And so this one is wire wrapped with pearls, and then this one is a bit smaller, just a little dangly, silver and gold. And then this one is silver and gold with two round. And then this one has more like a diamond pattern, but it's really pretty. And the lighting in here isn't the best, but I figured, let me just show you guys what I got before I package it up and ship it off to New York. And so they're all along the same theme, just varying metal shades, silver and gold, alternating. And so in this one is the one that I made for her daughter who is hosting it. So I made her these earrings. Her favorite color is purple. And then I made her sending her this little bookmark that I made that says lovely. And so I also handmade the packaging, which is basically I printed my logo onto cardstock, folded it in half, and punched the bottom. And I did that for all of these. And on hers, I just used a little washi tape just to, give it a little oomph for her. But I didn't want to do too much with the rest of them, because I wanted to kind of keep it classic. Okay, so anyways, if you guys have any questions, you want to know how I did, where I got some of the supplies from, feel free to drop it in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And thanks so much for watching. And until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.